Over 100 million hectares of land across India offers an opportunity for forest protection and landscape restoration. Millions of people dependent on forests and agriculture for their sustenance are disproportionately burdened with struggling livelihoods, lost incomes and poor nutrition. While grappling with extreme climate impacts, restoring these landscapes is critical, supporting India's transition to a restoration-based economy where nature thrives and the economy grows. We are working with the restoration champions across India. Bringing India's restoration champions together, the Land Accelerator India program helps them grow into scalable enterprises with access to capital and technical capacity. From climate-smart agriculture and precision farming to circular economy solutions and forest communities adding value to traditional products, these enterprises are strengthening restoration value chains that connect local communities to markets, proving that restoration can be commercially viable and scalable. The Land Accelerator India is a structured accelerator that helps restoration-based enterprises that have shown early traction and are ready to move from early revenue to scale. The program focuses on supporting women, rural innovators and underrepresented communities.
We've had several mentoring sessions within the Land Accelerator program where we revisited our marketing strategy. We were able to chisel our business plan.
Bootcamp provoked us basically to understand what is happening in the organization, what is going right and what is going wrong, which ultimately helped us to drill down what are the basic problems and what are the solutions.
Being a part of the code, it helped us a lot in terms of scaling our operations in different geographies.
When local entrepreneurs receive the right support, they don't just restore land. The impact goes beyond hectares restored. It is reflected in the jobs and livelihoods generated, soil health improved, communities empowered, and climate resilience. Building an economy where restoration, business, and innovation come together. India's restoration journey continues with the Land Accelerator India.